Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Soni's kitchen. Today I have come up with a new recipe of healthy and colorful poha. This delicious morning breakfast will make your morning so colorful and bright. So here I am taking 2 tablespoons in a kadhai. Now adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, that is rai, 1 teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. Now adding some curry leaves, neem, and some long chopped onions. Saute them well. Do not burn. Now adding half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Now adding some green chilies chopped. And now I have added the poha that I had soaked for some time in water. Mix all the ingredients well. Now I'll add some salt to it. And now 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar. You can add the sugar as per your requirement. And now adding some lemon juice to it. The poha is ready. You can turn off the flame. Now while serving, I am adding some grated carrot to it. And also adding some grated beetroot. And adding the grated coconut as well. Look how delicious it looks. It is so healthy and so delicious. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much.